Are you an entrepreneur looking for a way to start your business with little to no money? If so, then you may want to consider starting your business with just your pickup truck. In this video, I will tell you about some of the best ways that you can use your pickup truck to start your business. We will also provide some tips on how to make the most out of your pickup truck when starting your business. Here are 8 ways you can use your pickup truck to start making money practically today. Number 1, mobile dog grooming. If you love dogs, then this is a perfect business to start out of your pickup truck. Like most of these ideas, you will have to purchase some clippers, scissors, and shampoos. You also need to purchase a tub and a portable water tank with a hose. But none of these things really cost too much money at the end of the day. Another tip is that if you live near a dog beach, this could be a perfect place to set up shop, as many owners would probably appreciate their pup getting washed up before getting them back into the car. This would be a fantastic way of advertising your business. Maybe you don't groom the dog that day, but you give them a wash, and it lets you create that relationship with the client who may come back to you later to get their dog groomed. Number 2, pressure washing. Starting a pressure washing business is a great way to make some extra money. You will need to invest in some equipment, such as a pressure washer and hoses. You can advertise your business by hanging flyers in local businesses or by word of mouth. There are even channels on YouTube with people who are doing this business model, and they share all of their knowledge of how to get started. Many of them even tell you how much income they're making from their pressure washing business. Number 3, snow removal services. Another business you can start with your truck is a snow removal service. Now obviously, this is only if you live in an area that gets a lot of snow, but you can offer your services to businesses and homeowners. You will need to invest in a snowplow and some other equipment, but you can easily make a profit during those winter months. Number 4, junk removal services. Junk removal is another great business idea for those who own a truck. You can offer your services to businesses and homeowners who need help getting rid of old furniture, appliances, and other items. This is a great way to make some extra money and help people declutter their homes. And you can start small, using just the bed of your truck. Once you gain a steady traffic of business, consider purchasing a trailer or even buying a dump truck and hiring on helpers. Number 5, pool cleaning services. You can make some extra money by starting a pool cleaning business. You will need to buy some equipment like a pool vacuum and hoses, maybe some chemicals. And this is another business that you can advertise by simply putting up flyers at your local shops or just by telling people. I've seen so many people become so successful with their pool business that they eventually sell part of their pool route to others looking to start their own pool cleaning service. It's like hiring an employee, except you get one large lump sum of money up front and you don't have to worry about having to put someone on payroll. Number 6, moving services. Another business you can start with a truck is a moving service. If you have some strong friends or family members who are willing to help, you can offer your services to those who are moving out of their homes or offices. This is a great way to make some extra money and get some exercise at the same time. Moving services are not only limited to private residences either. There are plenty of restaurant owners looking to move things like industrial stoves and fridges from one location to another. Before moving on, if you find the information in this video helpful, please like and subscribe. It helps me to keep creating videos just like this. Now moving on to number 7, a mobile car wash. A mobile car wash or detailing business is a great idea to start right out of your pickup truck. You will need to invest in some equipment such as a pressure washer, hoses, and brushes. And with this business, it's easy to tack on travel expenses as part of the total charge for your services. Because after all, the benefit to the customer is that you are coming to them. So most of your clients are going to be willing to pay the distance and gas charges. Number 8, lawn care service. If you have a truck with a large bed, you can start a lawn care business. You can use your truck to transport lawnmowers, edgers, and other lawn care equipment. You can also use it to haul away grass clippings and leaves. Believe it or not, This is a business you can actually scale up. Maybe you start solo on small private homes, but once you land larger clients, you can hire others to help you get larger jobs done. These are not the only businesses that you can start out of a truck. There's everything from seasonal commercial Christmas light businesses to event supply businesses in which you rent chairs and tables. The possibilities really are endless. Let me know what you think is the best business to start out of your truck. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.